Welcome back to Vox Terra, an article from Reuters that should have got a lot more attention. U.S. Supreme Court backs Ted Cruz. Dumps campaign finance curb by Lawrence Hurley, May 16th of 2022. So what happened here is Texas Republican Senator Ted Cruz sued the FEC, or Federal Elections Commission, over campaign finance restrictions that place a, quote, $250,000 cap on the amount of money political candidates can be reimbursed after an election for personal loans to their own campaigns. So in the words of Trevor Potter of the Campaign Legal Center, permitting candidates to solicit unlimited post-election contributions to repay their personal campaign loans and put the donor money in their own pockets gives an obvious and lamentable opening for the special interests to purchase official favors and rig the political system in their favor. So in this case, Ted Cruz lent his campaign $260,000, $10,000 over the cap, and wanted to pay himself back out of that donor money. While the Supreme Court justices saying he could do this was our now predictable 6-3 majority, with the 6 so-called conservative judges finding for Cruz that the dollar limit is unconstitutional. Now I say so-called because let's face it, if you identify as a conservative, you're probably not identifying for that reason to have unlimited money in politics. But yet that's what's happening in your name. And it was those judges labeled as liberal who were in the dissent, standing up to limit money in politics. Also notable, Ted Cruz won an earlier decision in what we could call a lower court, and it was the Biden administration on behalf of that FEC who then appealed that decision to the Supreme Court. So that shows us the current state of affairs of the Republican-Democrat difference. Now regarding Ted Cruz's case, Chief Justice John Roberts wrote for the majority, the government had failed to show that the measure, quote, furthers a permissible anti-corruption goal, rather, now he doesn't sound like that, I'm just doing that voice, rather than the impermissible objective of simply limiting the amount of money in politics. This decision is a continuation of the other conservative majority decision of Citizens United of 2010 that also opened the floodgates for money in politics. And in my opinion, and probably in yours too, next to what lies in our hearts, money in politics is the biggest problem, followed by the fact that it is being underreported and largely ignored. It is masking the financial interests at stake in the continued burning of fossil fuels and the continuation of conflict around the globe. Well, hey, I hope you found this video super helpful, a bit entertaining, and if you did, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. You click that notification bell, you're commenting, you're liking, and you're donating at Patreon. And until next time, and as always, peace be with you.